and feeling good. Damn. Like I should. When in circle, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed.
What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Ugh. God dang, bruh. This quarantine stuff got me. I look wild, I know. But yeah. So this video today, we're doing a taste test. Honestly, I don't think this is gonna be good. This is what I'm doing a taste test on. This Sour Patch Kids cereal. Y'all pray for me, man. I'm gonna get it open, alright? I'm gonna get it open, and I'm gonna pour it into a bowl and try it. Honestly, I feel like this is gonna be nasty, but good at the same time. Honestly, I don't know. I'm scared. This don't look right, fam. This don't look right, bruh. This don't. Bro, it smells like Sour Patch Kids. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna try one dry. Oh, why it gotta be sour? This is sour. Alright, so we're gonna pour this into a bowl. I don't know how y'all do it. Some of y'all like to pour the cereal before the milk. Y'all are weird. I mean, usually I do that, but sometimes I pour the milk then the cereal. Call me weird, I don't care. Alright, so y'all pray for me, man. I'm going through a struggle. Actually, I ain't gonna kill myself. Let me go ahead and pour some of this back. I'm pouring it back. Alright. I ain't gonna do all that. I'm not gonna risk my life for y'all. Alright? I'm not risking my life for y'all. So yeah. Move this out the way. Y'all pray for me. Y'all pray for me. That's all I'm saying. Pray for me for real. This ain't gonna be the move, bruh. I can't, hold on. I'm really finna eat some Sour Patch Kids cereal, bruh. I'm gonna just count down to this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, hell no. Heck no, bruh. That's a definite no, bruh. Whoever came up with this crap, 1 star, bruh. A whole 1 star on this. Y'all might as well throw these away because ain't nobody buying these. This is horrible, bruh. Yeah. I feel like I was gonna die, bro. This is sour. Milk is. This don't go, bro. This don't go. I'm gonna take a short break real quick, y'all. I'm gonna get this disposed of. Alright, so we back. Got everything cleaned out. Everything. Hey, but I got a surprise for y'all. I know I said I was gonna be reviewing one, but I actually came with another one. Hold on real quick. I hope these are better than the Sour Patch Kid ones, alright? Cause them motherfuckers was horrible. They were horrible, alright? They were horrible. Well, those are horrible. Why did I point to these? But I'm gonna open these up. My mom already tried them. That's why they're open now. So I'm gonna pour these into the bowl. She said they were good. I don't trust it though. To be honest with you. Ooh, God, pray for me. Pray for me. But yeah. We need some more milk. Let me just say that now. I need more smack. Hold on. That's a second. Third bite, bro. I'm so good. Okay, so I can say this was better than this bull crap. This was trash. Will forever be trash. But yeah. So that was the video. Just wanted to do something good. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications on. I'm out.